Hi guys, it's Jeff at Slavens Racing. This video is about the Enduro Engineering Moto Roost open-ended handguards. So what they mean by open-ended is, it's not the full wraparound like many handguards are. It's just an open-ended. It just mounts right here. And I've got a little bit of an issue with the name Moto Roost because it does more than just protect you from Moto Roost, from roost from another bike in front of you. They work great in the woods as well, and they're pretty darn stiff. They can take a lot of beating. It's not going to be as much protection as a full wraparound handguard. Enduro Engineering also sells those and makes those, and we sell several different brands and models of full wraparound handguards. But this is if you want an open-ended type, which I think these are great for like hairspray impulse racing and GNCC and even most trail riding. They do a good job. So what's cool about these is how they mount. So you remove, this cap was originally right here. You remove that. And on the side you remove the same thing. So it mounts to the master cylinder, the clutch master cylinder and the brake master cylinder. And the great thing about that is a lot of them just mount to the bars so that when you fall down they spin. Or the ones that come stock on KTMs and the KTM models, other brands, they're really kind of cheesy. They mount through the pivot bolt right here and then some zip ties. Well, you can imagine how long the zip ties last if you go banging on them. Not long at all. And so, these give you a much more secure mount. Plus, they don't take any real estate on your handlebar. So, you got all this open space on your handlebar for mounting other stuff. So if you're a dual sport guy, these would be really a great option for that. Give you room for, GPS mounts and whatever you want to put on there, your phone, all kinds of stuff. So we've got these in several different color combinations for different colors of bikes. If you want a color match, also got just black and white, and they're easy to mount. It just takes, like I mentioned before, just removing these two caps, bolts on these caps, and taking those off. And then this piece is already mounted onto here, so you don't have to do this bolt. You just have to screw this on. There's just two screws that go on with a Phillips screwdriver, very simple. So the installation is super quick. You can install these things in under 5 minutes easily. And, I think they look good. They work well. And kind of a no-brainer. So that's all for now, guys. Get out and ride. Please like us on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe to us on YouTube. And give us a call once in a while. Throw a bone at us, We try to help you out. Help us out if you can. And definitely enjoy your holidays and get out for a little throttle therapy on Turkey Day. That's all for now.